how to turn on sleep mode on Instagram. So sleep mode let you automatically pause all your notification, like all the auto reply messages, and let people know that you're actually in sleep mode during the time period that you choose. This option is not available in the computer yet, it's only available on the phone. But let's jump straight to my phone and let me show you how you can turn on or turn off the sleep mode on your Instagram. Let's go. Okay, so first of all, open up your Instagram app, tap your profile bottom right, your picture, click on it, then go to top right, click on the three lines, click on it, and then you should be able to see straight away time management. Very important, time management. Click on that. You can see the daily limit or sleep mode, so you can choose whichever that you want. So for now, let's go for sleep mode. Click on it. So you can turn on or turn off. So for now, I want to turn on. So for example, 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. No, I want to put, for example, 1 a.m. to 6 a.m. Yeah, example. So this is the time where any messages, everything will be in muted. It does not disturb you, right? When you're, for example, sleeping. Choose a day. You can choose every day. So I choose every day. This is turn off. This is turn on. So the white one is when you turn on. So I'm using dark mode, so maybe the white mode will be different. Just make sure to look at the bottom. Okay, sleep mode is on every day, and then I click on save. Okay, turn on save, and that's it. And that's how you can turn on your sleep mode. If you want to turn off, just very easy, same thing, just click on that button and then it'll be turned off. Same place as well, where you go here, just turn on or turn off here. Alright, I think this is very good if you want to manage your time. For example, I've been sleeping quite late because I've been scrolling social media. This is one good way for you to manage your time. Okay, hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.